neck go the neck go neck nya the neck go the neck no neck nya the neck go nya the neck go nya 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 the neck go neck 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 go neck 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 and the neck neck go neck 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 go Neck 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 All right, I'm just setting some last things up. What's this? Groovy Beats. We're gonna listen to this Groovy Beats playlist on Twitch. And turn on this. It's not good. I don't like it. Shit. What's going on here? Turn on automatic downloads. Speaking of automatic, well, I think the latest one, the latest update to iOS, it seems to be working a little bit better. Yay! All right, so I don't need this. Sorry, I'm still setting everything up. I tried automating it, but there's like several things I need to click. Like it doesn't automatically. Well, I should just stop putting stuff in the docs. Like I can see like how many people are watching. But has it ever been really like turn on monetization? You can now turn on ads. So I turn off my ads. I think I'm gonna like try to do that more often. So today, did I do everything? No, I didn't. All right, I gotta set the background music. Ow, son of a bitch! All right. Ouch. Bam. I wish I had like a square screen. So I've been playing. Oh, I gotta like hide these. Actually, I wanted to clip Henya. So I got Whisper to work. It printed here. But this is using some pipeline. I think I should have like a tutorial on how to do it. I didn't look up a tutorial, but like I'm like an old school person. I don't like a lot of times like figuring out crap is a pain in the butt. I still don't like, I don't like using the dead snakes. Although I should grab that. It's not that. Is this it? All right, so this is my other PC. So yeah, it worked in here. Oh yeah. So I tried the Whisper like this. So before, yeah. I got the history. I gotta grab this. Before I was like giving me this, but it still work. Like it still like transcribe it in the end. I was trying to, oh, wait a second. Is this B-top? Oh, B-top. I'm having a hard time with B-top. I'm having a hard time with B-top. Oh, it's this one. For some odd reason, I was getting like errors for here. So you had to install like the pip, not in pip, but like, I'm using Python 3.13. And I might add like another Python, like 3.15 or something like that. I wonder if, okay, wait a second. Is there like a Python version? Exit. Let's make this bigger. For those, people can't read for some odd reason. There you go. Oh, I never checked my chats. I don't know if they're working or not. Yeah, I wanted to clip Henya. She was fucking hilarious. She was fucking hilarious. I love that gal. That's me. My computer's acting all weird. My son, I think he's gonna buy a TV. I talked to him about that before. I'm like, hey, you want to get a TV or whatever? And like, he's never expressed interest, but now all of a sudden he wants one. What was this? All right, so how do I check my version? I just want to check the Python version because I've just been typing Python on this. Python version. Oh, it's -- version, of course. So I'm going to double check my Python version. Okay, it does do that one. Okay, so let's check history. All right. I want to grab some of this shit. In fact, what I'm going to do is just do this. Does it keep it all? That's crazy. Because I think I want to make a video. ETC apt sources list. Oh, fucking, for some odd reason when I install this, like, it puts a duplicate of stuff on there, and I don't know why. IPMI tool. Yeah. This is like, if you have an old IPMI, you got to use this to get into it. Like, because if you don't know the password or anything, you got to use IPMI tool. It's one of the first things. So you can set your usernames and all that shit. I think I deleted the password. Yeah, I went in here. I was like, I know I'm going to like, yeah, see, history, H. Delete 22. I deleted the password because I knew like, I've been on screen. I've been on, you know, I've shown this like while I've been on live on stream. Yeah. So, bash, history. So some of these, like, I want to go through like how to install it. Cause I had a really hard time like wrapping my head around it. I was recommended to use like Python 3.13, for this, but I was thinking maybe like, I don't know, like, is there multiple thread? I've heard, okay, I want to write a program and I think it'll be easier to write it in Python because everything for it is written in Python, but I think they started using multiple threads now. I don't know. So is there multiple, does Python, which version? Okay. Which version of Python uses multiple threads? Because I want to like assign like a, you know, like a thread to each one. Uses multiple threads. Allows multi-threading. Threadings. All right. 3.14 is the first version to fully support free threaded multi-core parallel Python. Enable true multi-cut by threading by removing the global interpreter GIL. This change introduced via PEP 779 marks a major shift from previous versions where GIL limited Python's thread to a single core execution. Yeah, that's like fucking dumb. Experimental support for 3 allowing developers to test parallel execution with threading, but it was not yet stable or default. Okay. While the threading module has been available since 2.4, true parallelism wasn't only a possible thing using multi-processes for CPU-intensive tasks. So, yeah, I want to have like, what I want to do is, I got a ton of video that I need transcribed. And so, I need to set that up. I also need to set up, yeah, so that's why I need to like use Python. Well, I don't need to, but there's a Whisper API for Python. I can just build it real quick. Let me see if there's a Golang, Python. No, a Golang Whisper API. I don't have Golang on here. I think I might try to do it. I think I might just try to do it in Python. Go Whisper is a Go package that provides unified speech to text translation via Whisper CPP. Oh, okay. I am very interested in that. Yeah. I'm very interested in that. Mutable logic, Go Whisper. Let's go here. All right, so, oh. I mean, they're on it like quite often. Let's see what this says. 165 forks. Provide Windows build support for server. No, fuck you, no. Go Whisper. Oh, you gotta put your open AI API key. Ew. Go Whisper address. What? Interact with the server. Oh, you need a server for this? I mean, I got a server. Interesting. See, I don't think like, even though I got it set up, like, I don't think Whisper will work for Kdenlive if you use AMD. So, yeah. Okay, so they said 3.14. What's the current version? I don't know how they do parallelism in it. Status of Python versions. So they're at 3.15. What is this? What is this line? What is this line? Is that where we're at? Okay, so bug fix, security. Oh shit. So we're on. Oh. All right. So it's unstable. They're saying it's unstable. Well, I guess I could try like like a 3.14. Like, so you can set up like environmental variables for that. So let's see if we can get Python 3.14. Let me see if I can just download it. I wish I could hit control. All right, I am not in an environment. All right, virtual environment, and I hate that I have to do this. Can I hit like Control Shift? No. I hate that like it closes every time I click on it. It has to be a bug. So, sudo apt install, and I'm gonna look at this here, and I'm gonna I'm going to pull what I need. Matter of fact, let's save this. How do we save that? Save it. Save. Yeah, we're just going to save it as that. There we go. So apt install. Okay, like this. We need that. But I probably need to have it in 3.14. Can I just zoom in? So it's this here, right? And I had to download like this deadsnakes.ppa. So I don't know what's all in the dead snakes. Let's see what they have in dead snakes. Dead snakes PPA. They know. They know. Okay. Okay. Sometimes they'll have like, oh. Is this like beta version? I think I'm on Noble. So, which version am I at? I don't know what's 24 point. Wait a second. I don't know if 24.04 is on that. So we'll do 14 since it's supported there. I'll do its own environment. What kind of sucks though is like, do I have to like reinstall everything for it? Like in the environmental variable, like I kind of like set up like a AI spot, but like, I guess I could bring in something as a package maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I've been renaming them the environments because I don't know. I'm just paranoid as fuck, but maybe I need to like not do that. Yeah. So anyways, so I'm going to get that. It's in there and, I need to grab that and yeah, but we need more than just that. We need more than just that. All right. I was trying to get BTOP to work. It wasn't working. Yeah, I learned a lot of stuff. Yeah, this didn't work though. Oh my gosh. I say, so like, all right, I'm having a hard time finding it. So let's do like Python 3.13. There we go. So we needed these also. If you want to develop with it. Which the instructions from AMD weren't very clear on that. Like they kind of half-assed it. They had like a guide to running Whisper, and they're using something called like a pipe. And where's it at? Pipe. Is it pipe? Pipe and hot, baby. Pipes. I might have closed it. This is AMD. I think I closed it. So they're using pipes, which I found like to be, I don't know. This to me, this is not like doing this. To me, this seems like it's being lazy. Because like what I want to do is like grab each sentence, and I don't know if they have that kind of built into the API already or what. You think they have like they would have all the options for it. I cannot upload this because I'm using like a FLAC and it's fucking huge. It's 52.51 megabytes. I was trying like an MP4, but I didn't like that. I guess like when I update this to decode it MP4, then I'll do it, I guess. Because Whisper, like when I use the program, it just yeah, it automatically like decodes like and encodes it if you need it to. So we already got that. So I just doubled this. What the fuck? I should have known better. Where is that one at? Where's the dev? Did I control X that shit? What is this? It's gone. I am confused. I am so fucking confused. Because I had to do like development tools and shit. I am so confused. Sudo. All right. Let's control F. Python 3. So we got the 313 there. It's not there. It fucking disappeared. Python. I swear it was there. I swear it was there. What's going on? I didn't hallucinate that, did I? This is why I gotta like, what the fuck? I feel like it might be here. There it is. There it is. Because I had two different things open. I was looking for this. This here. I was getting errors on when I was running the Whisper program. Man, this is like, holy shit. This is huge. I guess I'll pull up like, because I was wanting to get Whisper to work on AMD GPUs. Yeah. And yeah, I might just like log out of this. Let me I'm just gonna exit all this. And hopefully the history will be all together. All right, let's go back in. I don't know why I'm like compelled to do this every time. What the fuck? Mass Vulcan. All right. I'm gonna. Well, I can't do screen. I guess I could do screen. I hate screen. There was like this other one that was sort of like screen, but it was more user friendly. What's my goal? So I've never programmed in it before, and so I'm gonna be like, I got a bunch of videos that I need transcribed, and I don't want to like hand type that all. Well, I don't have to hand type it all in, but I just want to have it automated because I got like 4 GPUs on here, and I can like transcribe 4 times the shit with the 4 GPUs. So that being said, I also want to like I guess like go parallel. And so I was thinking about doing a I guess like have another like development area with Python 3.14. Gosh, what the fuck's going on? Yeah. Yeah, I might be like a little spacey. So you want to input a video and get video transcripts? A video? Like hundreds of videos. I need to parallel process this shit. I want to go through all the directories itself. Because the directories within directories. And so, yeah, I'm going to do all that eventually. But I need to like learn how to use Python. But I want to have like a job running. I want like no more than maybe like 4 jobs. I guess like 4 jobs going at the same time. So... But you want a working start? I don't know what that... I mean, like, eventually I'll get to it. I'll figure it out. I'll ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT, program it for me. Now, I really want to learn how to like write in Python. So, actually, do you do like a development with Python? And like, do you use like VS Code or? I really don't want to put an environmental variable. So, okay, let's go back. Is this saved? What's wrong with this? All right, let's just save it. And, well, actually, let's go ahead and I don't like the name of this. I don't like the name of this. I guess we'll still use it as this, but I don't like the name of it. Name of the package. All right. I want to close these. Yeah, this worked well. All right. Python. Python. Documentation. Docs. Python docs. All right. Python setup and usage. Where is like language reference? There we go. Oh, great. Why'd it have to be like this? Introduction. Oh, gosh. I like Go's better. Alternate implementations, though there is one Python, there's Farmer, which is by far the most popular. There are some alternate implementations, which are particularly interest to different audience. CPython, Jython, oh great. Python for .NET. PyPy, an implementation of Python written completely in Python. It supports several advanced features not found in, okay, blah, blah. Lexical analysis and syntax use a grammar notation that is a mixture of, what is this? I don't even, peg. It always comes down to pegging. All right. Extended back noir form is a family of meta-syntax notations of which you can use to express a context-free grammar. What the fuck? I don't get it. It's like they took this from the... I don't know if I care enough to know what this is. Parsing, expression limit, peg. Analytic. Ah. I don't get it. I don't think I need to know. Example, letter. Letter. Digit. Is this like... What the fuck's going on here? Face. What is this? Oh my gosh. It's an example. The first line of the name is letter followed by a sequence of 0 or more letters. Digits and underscore scores. A letter is in turn is any of the single characters A, Z, A, capital Z. Digit is a single character from 0 to 9. This is not lined up. Is that a problem? This isn't lined up either. All right. Maybe it's not a table. All right. I think I see what's going on. All right. Name and name refers to what? It's a delimiter or operator. What the fuck is this shit? Question mark has exactly the same meaning as what? Oh no. I'm a C user. Name of double quotes denotes a soft keyword. What the fuck does this mean? Oh, they're already dipping into fucking chapter 2. I am more of like a just write it and go. Because it's like reading shit. I just stare at it and I'm like, keywords. Oh, yeah. That's nice to know. I thought I hit control for this shit. Okay. Line joining. Encoding declarations. Comments. All right, that's that. Encoding is if a comment first or second line of Python matches regular expression coding. What? I don't know regular expressions. These comments is processed as an encoding declaration. The first group of the expression name is the encoding blah 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 blah. If the second line, the comment only line, regular forms of encoding expressions are. So this will like close it, open and close it. Oh, do you need to start with this and then? Was that like a? All right. I guess I need to do this. All right. Okay, that didn't do anything. What's that shit for again? Must also be a comment only line. The recommended forms of encoding expressions are this. Okay. I don't understand why you gotta close it here. Oh. Yay. That's coding for you. Line joining. Two or more physical lines may be joined into a logical lines by using the backslash as follows. When a physical line ends in backslash, this is not part of a string literal or comment. It is joined with the following forming blah blah blah. So it's kind of allows you to go to the next line. All right. Okay. At least I don't have it for the comment. Why can't carry backslash does not continue a comment. Backslash does not continue a token except for string literals. A token. What is a token? Wait a second. How did I get here? I thought I was like in this. All right. Input. I'm gonna. What's line joining? Square brackets or curly braces can be split over more than one physical line without using backslashes. I bet you got to use a comma. All right, these carry comments. Oh, they can carry comments. What? That's interesting. Okay. No. Did I read that wrong? The indentation of the continuation line is not important. Blank continuation lines are allowed, but there is no new line token between implicit continuation lines. Implicit contains lines. Yeah, so it's like it's not there. Okay, a logical line that contains only spaces, tabs, possibly a comment. A logical line that contains only spaces, tabs, form feeds, and possibly a comment is ignored. All right. I guess someone had to fucking spell it out for them. Indentation, leading white space, spaces, and tabs at the beginning of a logical line. Oh, I heard this is like annoying. Is used to compute the indentation level of the line, which in turn is used to determine the grouping of statements. Tabs are replaced from left to right by 1 to 8 spaces, which that the total number of characters up to, including replace it in multiple of 8. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? Sorry. Indentation is rejected as inconsistent if the source file mixes tabs and spaces in a way that makes the meaning dependent on worth of tab spaces. A tab error is raised in the case. Cross-platform compatibility. Indentation levels at consecutive lines are used to generate indent and dident tokens. Token. For the first line of the file is read, a single 0 is pushed on the stack. This will never be popped off again. All right. The numbers are pushed on the stack will always be strictly increasing from the bottom to top. At the beginning of each logical line, the line indentation level is compared to the top of the stack. If it is equal, nothing happens. If it is larger, it is pushed on the stack and one indent token is generated. If it is smaller, it must be on the... What the fuck are they talking about? I think they're talking about, like, how they compile this shit now. First line indented. Well, maybe it'll fix it on its own. Error not indented. What? Ah. All right. Error expected indent. Unexpected indent. Yeah. I see. Yeah. Error inconsistent indent. Because it doesn't match any of these. Is it because of this? Where does the return? Okay. Oh, okay. Return needs to be on this 4. I see. Why do they use like a totally different one for this? Because they have a nested 4. Well, I guess you got your return, so let's start with that. And you'll have your 4 there. Okay. You'll only have 1 return. But what if you want to return in here? Do you return it here? Anyways. Like if there's an if statement or whatever. White spaces needed between 2 tokens only if there is concatenation. For example, AB is 1 token, A space B is 2 tokens. However, A plus A and plus A plus space A both produce 2 tokens. Plus A and A as plus A is not a valid token. Plus and A as plus A. Okay. At the end of the non-interactive input, the lexical analyzer generates an end marker token. There we go. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's going through the nitty gritty of like fucking language. Want to build a language? Read this. So these are the key. Oh, I guess we just keep on scrolling down. Type is now a soft keyword. When using it, the type statement, type point. I didn't even know they had types. Anyway, let's go back. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's fucking straightforward, yo. Man, my OBS is like in 4K mode and everything's so fucking small. Okay, there we go. We fixed it. I just made it widescreen, so it's fixed now. What is this? Not imported from module import. Okay, in case I saw some people like time to get distracted. Blah, 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 blah. I just want to go to like the Whisper GitHub page. There we go. I was looking at this shit. But they have like a main, right? And they have like this fancy shit. And then from .transcribe import CLI, I guess. And so like transcribe C, I think this is like the I think this is the fucking the menu. Or no, they don't have a menu. Sorry. I think this is like the what they use for the command line interface. Ugh. Yeah, I mostly have programming knowledge in Go and C and a little bit of C++. And I already finished this drink. I thought I was going to go back downstairs. My daughter, she just wanted to go to bed. The name, which was often used in conjunction with internationalization. Oh my gosh. It's way easier than C. I don't know, man. C is like pretty straightforward. C is fucking straightforward. Like, look at this shit. Are valid names, but what the fuck are not? What? I want to do it with snake. Normalization form NFKC KFC. Normalize that shit, bitch. Lexical level. Yeah, this is like whew. Literals are notations. See, I'm a bad cat. Neko, I'm not a cat. Shut the fuck up. I never like memorize like terms. Like, what's a literal? Are notations of constant values. All right. Built-in types. Constants. Other literals are lexically denoted using keywords like none. I figured out they had none. Some literals are text enclosed in single quotes or double quotes, for example. The quotes used to start the literal also terminates it. Hell yeah, brother. All right. Except for, okay. Limitation. This quote does not affect the literal is parsed. Inside a string literal, the backslash chair enters escape sequence, which has special meaning. Yeah, it's like C. All right. Triple quoted strings. Triple quoted. Strings that can are triple quote that shit. Strings can also be enclosed in matching groups of 3 single or double quotes. These are generally referred to as triple quoted strings and a triple quoted literals. Unescaped quotes are allowed and are retained, except that 3 unescaped quotes in a row terminate the literal. So I guess this is to make it constant. All right. Because literals are constants? Or wait a second. Yeah. String prefixes. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is going on? This is voodoo. Does this make it like a constant? All right. Multi-line strings. How does it know when to go to that? Unescaped new lines are also allowed. Okay, I see. Um, kind of makes sense. That should just already be there anyway. Like, I think Go, you can do that. Or maybe, oh, I don't think you can. I think you got to add it. I think you got to add it. Bytes literal. Raw. I like raw string. Give it to me raw. Formatted string literal. The F string. Template strings literal. No effect allowed for backwards compatibility. All right. Prefixes are case sensitive. For example, B works the same as B. Are insensitive. Ah, great. RB of raw bytes literal has been added as a synonym for BR. Was that raw bytes? Bytes raw. To make a number, etc. A string. Ah. I see. Of course, you gotta do that for Windows. Yeah. What does that do? Oh, that makes it. Yeah. I think I don't really know. It's. Is this for the print? New line. Formal grammar. I think I need to look at this a little bit harder. Now, I'm not really sure what's going on here. Like, I don't know why. Is that like is that their way of doing types or something? I know it's like it's not typed. If they're like, shit's getting out of control, maybe we should like try to lock in some sort of like typist shit. Let me put you on the TV so I can read. I'm reading the manual. Okay, I can just, what are these string prefixes? Okay. So like the guy in the lab, he was like doing Python and he was using Google to look up stuff. And then all of a sudden it's like, he goes like, you seem like you're our type of person. And they're like, you want to take some tests? Yeah. What the fuck did I just do? And so like he started just doing it. What are string prefixes in Python? Python 3. Python these nuts. Okay. Python string prefixes are special characters placed before a string's literal open quotation mark to change how the string is interpreted or stored. All right. F string. Format string literal. F string raw. Output. Normal string is new line. Raw string. I don't get it. Prefix treats backslashes /n as literal characters rather than. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Why add this? All right. This is a bytes object. Print bytes data. Type bytes data. So it doesn't print the bytes, or does it know? All right, let's try this. All right. It probably didn't compute it. Is there a way to like comment this all out? Comment out multiple lines, hashes, like double hashes, lines, Python. Each line. Oh my gosh. You can highlight and right click comments. All right. What? I don't know where the comment thing is. What the fuck? And I'll just do this. Bitch. All right. If not triple hashes, you think that? This is important. This is fucking super important. Like, here, we don't need like this much. The fate of humanity is at stake here. It doesn't keep on going. That makes sense because like everything past the hash will be gone. Just do this. Anyways. All right. Let's see what this does. Holy shit, what the fuck? Why did it take so long? Okay, this is a bytes object. All right. It just prints the class. Oh. All right. How do I print the bytes? Anyways. Fucking. I don't know what this is. Python for beginners. I was hoping that. Oh shit. Where'd it go? Holy fuck me in the ass. I feel like I got lost. Okay, I did get lost. Rostering. I was hoping I was going to print like it in bytes. Hold on a second. Can I do like byte? I didn't like that. The byte data type. I was just hoping like byte, you just do byte. Fuck it. I don't really care right now. I'm gonna change this music. They just ruined the song. They fucking ruined the song. They fucking ruined the song. Yeah, we're gonna put on some real funk and rap. There we go. Someone took a classic and decided to make it theirs too, and they fucked it in the ass. The octal character. Base 8. Bait. Octal escapes. I'm probably never going to use this. All right. Snake. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay. Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. All right, let's go into my environment. Let's do an LS. I don't remember what it's under. I made 2 areas. CD work. We'll do it. Well, I'm actually in there. So CD, AIE, and V. LS. All right. So let's go into Python. Oh, wait a second. It's source and VAN and bin, and it's activate. Yeah. Okay, so Python. Was I going to install Python 14? Anyways, let's check this out. I guess I could just like go into here. Latin capital letter P. Ayo. Snake. Hey, snake. Wait a second. Is there like other ones? That's cute. Are you Fillings friend? I don't know. All the new code should be available. Yeah. Snake. Oh, you can use the hexadecimal Unicode characters. Filiono? No, I'm not. I'm not. Oh, I meant to do a clip of that. Ah, shit. Wait a second. What? What? I just got lost. What? What the fuck? Unlike in Standard C, all unrecognized escape sequences are left in the string unchanged. That is, the backslash is left in the result. What? Oh, I see. Why would it like just would it panic and see? Note that for bytes literals, you escape sequence only recognized and string literals fall into the category of unrecognized escapes. All right. Byte literals are always prefixed with B or capital B, but they produce an instance of bytes type instead of the string type. Oh. What? There it is. There you go, Philians. I'm not. I know who you're talking about. No one can spell her name right. No. I've never talked to her. She's read one of my comments once. I think she called me like a sick fuck or something like that. All right. What the fuck, man? Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait, what? Wait a second. Am I looking at this wrong? Oh. List. Because it's a list? Oh. All right. Huh. Raw string literals. I think this worked because I put the beat. I mean, okay, I gotta test this. Can I just put it here? Oh, I can't do that. What the fuck? Am I doing? I'm learning Python. I'm learning to Python. I'm learning to Python, baby. Man, this takes so. This would have been compiled already. All right. I guess I need the list. I don't like how it's list. All right. Sometimes you need to look at bytes. So it doesn't do it in hexadecimal. Typically, I am, yeah. I'm quickly losing interest in this. What is this though? Who.title expects the nationality. What? Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition. What's the F dot? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's their formatting. I think I kind of get it. It's fucking formatting. I think I kind of need this. Yeah. Sometimes I print and I really need that formatting. Where's that fucking formatting shit? I lost it. I thought it was before this. Is it this? Yeah. Why don't they have a list? They just tell it prefixes. Oh, maybe it's a list somewhere else. You can pull down vars or lists into a structured sentence. Oh. I like formatting. T strings. Oh, baby. Yeah, I need like print formatting. They got like a fucking list of that shit. They only got 2 chapters. Maybe it's in the 3rd chapter. Oh my gosh. Just give me a list of what they do, and then I can just like look it up. Okay, let me just. Okay. Python string or formatting. Print formatting. Print formatting list. There's 2 T's in that shit. Just give me the fucking list, bitch. Oh my god. I could be a negative Nancy. And what they do. With examples. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. Am I speaking Chinese this like thing here? Like print function string formatting list. It lists as a data type, so it might be. There just should be like. Are these all called F strings? Doesn't like no one really care about this shit? Like when they print it, they print out output. Or are they just like, is everybody like way smarter than me and remembers this shit? Is there like a cheat sheet? There we go. Why am I getting it from AI? Oh, F string. I don't need like this. I need like. All right. This is not a cheat sheet. This, Mr. Python morsels, that was not a cheat sheet. This is like a cheat like book. I guess like floating point. They had the floating point integers, but they don't have. Oh my God. There we go. Here's what I have as reference. Oh, baby. All right. Everybody's much smarter than me. At least this isn't like 20 pages. Do they call it F string? F string something something. Formatting cheat sheet. Cheech and Chong. Man, F format. Did they say F string? Format string? Okay, F string cheat sheet. I think I can remember that. Let's save it. Oh, wait a second. PY. There you go. I will forget that I did this. No cap, dog. I really need to start writing code. Like reading can only get you so far. You really got to start writing that shit down. You got to start writing code. Okay, I'm done looking at the format shit. I'll just look at what. I just don't understand why they did this. F string middle. All right. Numerical literals. Number tokens represent numerical literals, of which there are 3 types: integers, floating point numbers, and imaginary numbers. Oh. Is everything like a 64-bit? Is everything at 256? Now we make our numbers are all strings. I had like this calculator and it could do like integrals for you. That's pretty cool. So it treated like the characters like it treated the numbers like characters, and then they had like workarounds of that. And so like things came up as fractions. Either of these parts, but not both, can be empty. No, I think a dot should be 0, bitch. Anyways, you guys aren't very. What is this? As an integer, literals, single underscores may occur between digits to help readability. Interest. Oh, okay, it's like a comma. Ish. Okay, I can understand this. That's interesting. That's a kind of a cool feature. I do wish like, well, I do think it's kind of weird because it's always like 3s, you know. Everything's always in 3s, except for the first numbers. So I think having it by 2 pairs here, but I guess like if you're doing I don't know. I guess if you're trying to do like hex, I wonder how it would work with hex. Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. You don't get to do that shit. It'll print this and go and see, but you can't do this in E or E, uppercase E, times 10 raised to the power of. All right. You can't do that in Go or C. So do they have like a to the power 10? I don't know. What if you want to do like powers of 2? Digipart float number. Digipart. Digit part. Digit part. Exponent. Digit part. What's a dash? Oh, it's negative. Plus or negative. All right. Oh. So comparators. Like this is like math. I wonder if they're using the same format that Python uses here. All right, Jay. These must be engineers. I think I like digi part. And I'm gonna we're gonna have to get like I don't know, we're gonna have to get a group together to like push for that. I do like how they're using J, because J is used in engineering, at least with electrical engineering. It's more fun to write a J than it is to write an I. Assignment operator, bitwise operator. Is it operators and delimiters? Following grammar defines operator and delimiter tokens. Plus equals, all right. Minus equals, all right. Times equals, what's the double times equals? Divide by, double divide by. Okay, so that's not. I guess that's a mod. Bitwise operator. Okay, so those are bare comparison. What was the? Okay, so the bitwise operator comparison. Is this like the masks and shit? Comparison. Power. Oh. Power? There's no... I put the power in there? Holy shit. They should... You know, like here... I don't know. Is there not equals? Yeah. Stole that from C. I don't know if they did. Other op. There's an at op. Generally, operators use combined expressions while delimiters serve other purposes. However, there's no clear formal distinction between the two categories. Okay. For example, star is both a multiplication operator and a delimiter used for sequence unpacking, and at is both the matrix multiplication and a delimiter that introduces decorators. Is this like queer eye for the straight guy? Anyways, wait a second. That doesn't make sense. All right. Like and or not is a keyword function rather than symbols. Yeah. Sequence of 3 consecutive periods has a special meaning and as an ellipsis literal. What the fuck is an ellipsis literal? I'm gonna use it to indicate that something is omitted. Assigning an ellipsis is possible, but assignment to ... raises a syntax error. Ellipsis is the sole instance of the types.ellipsis type. What the fuck is that shit? Ellipsoids, I guess. Eclipses. I'm glad I'm using 3.14.2 here because because I only got 3.13.11 installed. Ellipsis. Ooh. All right. So I kind of figured out this was like an array. My VTuber name would be Hung Lo. Anyways, does it have to be Japanese? I don't know, like anything that can be like a double meaning for Japanese. I am not reading this at all. Objects of Python abstraction of the data. Is this like the introduction of this shit? Okay. Every object has an identity, a type, and a value. An object's identity never changes once it has been created. You may think of it as an object's address in memory. The is operator compares the identity of the two objects. The ID function returns the integer representing its identity. All right. Oh, I thought you'd do like a dot ID. I guess it's a function. All right. For X is stored any objects type blah blah blah. Okay. What do you talk about C Python? The try finally statement and the with statement provide convenient ways. Wait, is it? Some objects contains reference to external resources such as open files or Windows. Oh, what? Windows. It is understood that these resources are freed when the object is garbage collected, but since garbage collection is not guaranteed to happen, such objects also provide an explicit way to release the external source, usually with a close method. All right, so they have methods. Programs are strongly recommended to explicitly close such objects. The try finally statement and the with statement provide convenient ways. Oh, I shouldn't slam my mouse down. All right, some objects contain references. These are called containers. All right. So I saw like a way to like, for example, after A, B, B, A and B may or may not refer to the same object with the value 1, depending on the implementation. Can you do pointers? This behavior depends on the implementation used, so should not be relied upon. What? Making use of an object identity test. However, after C blank and D blank, C and D are guaranteed to refer to two different unique, newly created empty lists. I would hope like A and B would not be the same. I would hope they would be like in different memory. Yeah, I guess if you do like A equals, let's test something out. Okay. A equals B equals 2. Okay. Print A comma B. 2, 2. Okay, A equals. Let's do like B equals 4. All right. Two different vars unless A equals B. Oh. Well. Unless you make it. Well, they made it sound like here A and B may or may not refer to the same object with the value 1. Depending on them. I was trying to see. Oh, wait a second. All right. Maybe because it's 1. Wait a second. Should I use different characters? But once you change it, like, wait a second, let's do this. Kind of clear? What the fuck? Exit. I want a fresh one. I want a fresh one. Okay, A equals B equals 1. I should have cleared it out there. Shit. Let's do this. There's like the ID thing. IDX. Do I have to print it or? There we go. Maybe it already does it. Maybe I have to print it. Ooh. Oh. You can overwrite var, so if you set A to 2 and set A to 3, A will be the most recent. So they both have the same ID, right? Okay, let's see if all right, let's change like B. Do I change? Okay, let's change A to 2. All right, so IDA. Oh, it's different. That's the same. They said to think about it as like memory, but I'm not getting that. All right, let's change A back to 1. Huh. ID what? B equals. Okay, wait a second. ID 2. Huh. I am so confused with what's happening. I am so fucking confused with what's happening. All right. Well, ID is a mem location. Yeah. It's like, did they put, hey, thank you for the follow, yo. It's like, did they like make like a fucking list of this, like an array? And they put all the numbers in there? I don't know. But like, maybe like once you come up with a number and it's like, I don't know. This is so weird. Anyways. All right. Like, I think they need to like really like, you just can't fucking say this here and not like really go into detail about what's going on. In my humble opinion. So the reference to, okay, so. All right. Shit. It's just so weird. Okay. This behavior depends on the implementation used, so should not be relied on, but is sometimes to be aware of when making use of object identity test. All right. So if they share the same number, they'll have the same fucking ID. All right. Saves it for later. Yeah. Like they're gonna, like, I'd rather just like A or B like have their own memory spots. Yeah. And like, I'm not 100% sure like how it works in C and Go, because like it's been a long time since I've used it. But shit, for all I know, like it could be something kind of similar, unless you're explicitly telling it to put a value into like the address of where like A or B is, you know, or X or Y or whatever. Because they might just assign a new memory space for it, for all I know. I don't know. It's been a bit. It's been a bit. Not gonna lie. Yeah. Below are built-in extension modules written in C, Java, or other languages, depending on the implementation. Is there one for Go? This has a single object in the value. The object is assessed through a built-in name, none. It is used to signify absence of a value in which situations, e.g., it is returned from functions that don't explicitly return anything. So, oh. All right. Let's see. None times 10. Oh. Didn't like that. All right. Do I need equals? 2 times 3. Okay, that did that. All right. A equals none. B equals 10. And A time. I'm thinking I'm gonna get the error again. All right, that's good. All right, cool. So it's not 0. All right, cool. This type, it's like null almost. Okay. People really hate null for some odd reason. I don't understand why they hate null. I like null. Okay. I guess it kind of be a pain in the ass though, like, because like you can have like a type and not having like memory assigned to it. I mean, like you can assign something to null and you think type it like a pointer, a type pointer. Is that the word I'm trying to? And make it equal to null. But then you're like, it's hard, like you can't really add stuff to it because there's no like memory made up for it. There's a null as well, but it's expecting a num data type float and okay. Or image. Not implemented. This type is has a single value. There's a single object with this value. This object is assessed through built-in. You know, I'm really enjoying myself right now. I don't know why. This is way better than looking at some like I like reading the Golang's like, you know, documentation of like how their syntax works. It's so fucking interesting. Also helps that I'm reading it out loud too and looking at but yeah. Not implemented. This is because like you see like, oh, this is like this feature does this. Oh, okay. There's a single object with the value. I especially like the string like formatting stuff. Because yeah, I don't know why I like the string formatting stuff. It seemed very complicated. It seemed like overly complicated. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. But maybe because I like having like a table and lists and I like having it look all nice and neat. Numerical methods as rich comparison not implemented. Okay, the type has a single value, the single object with this value. This object is assessed through the built-in name not implemented. Numeric methods and rich comparison methods such should return this value if they do not implement the operation. All right, so you have to look for that. All right. Let's read this again. Numerical methods and rich comparison methods should return this value if they do not implement the operation for the operands provided. Huh. Interpreter will then try the reflected operation or some other fallback depending on the operator. It should not be evaluated in a Boolean context. All right. What? Okay. Whoa. I think we're gonna skip this. I don't know what this def add self other like two different data types. See, I can't remember, but I think like in C it doesn't matter. It might matter, actually. Does it matter? I can't remember. Maybe you just put them in the voids and then like it compares it. I can't remember. Does it matter? When doing like a, maybe it does, because it is like a type strict language. To me, it's like not equals equals, or if you have like the or, I would just treat it like bytes. That's what I would do. Be done with it. Or bits. I'll treat it like bits. Yeah, or like strings. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, just decide to do like strings. But like, I think like what, if you did like a string and a number, ooh, that's kind of tough. But okay. Oh, well, something's coming up. Something's like, I think I had to do something like this, like a, with a, oh, what do they call that shit? A generic? Which the way they implement generics in Go, it's just like, it's like you had the is it empty? You had the interface type, and that was basically the generic. Am I going through the whole? Oh man, I've never used this before, so yeah, I have no idea. Like, there's no like good like starter. Let's say you guys know like a good like okay, Golang has something like this. I keep on going to Go because what Google did with Go is fantastic for people just to jump in and learn it. And one of the things they have is this is truly powerful. Here's their user manual. Community. They used to have a thing that said like a tour Go. User manual, Go specs, release notes, standard library. Where's the tour Go? He should just be like right there. Do they get rid of it? They're like, fuck a tour Go. I guess I'll have to Google search it or something like that. A tour of Go. Like they just got rid of it. All right. So like here, you run it. You're like, oh, it does this. Okay. And be like blah, 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 blah. And like, hell yeah, brother. And then like, okay, I'm on to the next. Like if sometimes I would go in here, like if I didn't want to like compile it and just like, or like start like a new, basically like make a new program, I would come into like a tour Go and just write the shit in here. Ah, shit. What the fuck? So like the packages. Yeah. Because you can do like the syntax on, and yeah, it does the imports and exported names. Pizza is exported name as pie, which exported the math package. Yeah. Math pie. Wait a second. Pizza is exported. Yeah, I was going to say, it needs to have it uppercase PI. So yeah, exported like functions and stuff are uppercase. I like the multiple results back. Yeah. Has something like that for Python. IIRC. Hopefully I don't have to fucking set up a fucking account. What the fuck is this? What the hell is this? Is this just for like LLMs? Now I'm worried I put up like the wrong thumbnail. Let me double check something. Because I was gonna be Pythoning. I've been getting like beavis and butted. Okay, I'm learning how to Python. Yay! Crone's on. Wasn't she like sick or something? She's so cute. Speak that cute Japanese words. All right. Pie. I'm going to type in IIRC. Oh my gosh. Learn Python. I was like, is there a Python sandbox? Like, right? Like Python sandbox. Text mode. Quickly run and test your Python code. Tutorial sandbox, maybe? Free Python lets you write and run code instantly in your browser. Supports Python 3.12 includes. What the fuck is this? What's the name of it? Python Playground? Code Academy? Oh, wait a second. You said Code Academy. Learn to code for login. Expert-led boot camps. You can boot my camp any day, baby. Anyways. Yeah. I just want like a... There we go. Is there like a tool? Wait a second. What? Text mode. What? 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 All right. All right. Let you write and run code instantly. Now I want like a tutorial. No one has like a free tutorial thing. Let's go to Google. I need to change my like search engine. I used to like Brave, but like their AI kind of sucks. Their AI kind of sucks. And I don't care. I don't care if fucking Google tracks me for everything. All right. Leo, what's Leo? All right. Is there a search? Is there a search button? Is there a search button? Content? Download it. They want you to, they hide it so you don't. I'm not putting shit in there. All right. Content. Shields. Web3. What is Web3? Leo? Search engine? There we go. Private window. Google. There we go. There we go. Is there a tour of Python like there is a tour of Go? There's no single A tour of Python official interactive tutorial directly analogous to a tour of Go. Several high quality interactive resources are available to learn Python, including free O'Reilly book. I don't want a fucking book. Official Python documentation includes comprehensive tutorial that covers syntax and features, though it is not interactive in browser experience like the Go tour. Oh my gosh, they have a Python class. Let's look at this shit. Google Developer Program. Unlock AI tools. Ooh, guys, on YouTube. So like games and shit. This is like in beta mode. But like I might have to hide some shit. I don't know who to pick. Continue playing. What? Wrong person. Oh, come on. Are you fucking shitting me? Okay, switch account. All right. So I've been playing this game. Oh. Exit game, yeah. So you can go there, and they got these playable tabs. You can submit, like, if you use HTML5, you can submit fucking games to this, to, why is this cut off here? You guys notice that? It's like cut off right here. These are long, and this is cut off right there. Anyways, but you can, like, submit games to them, and then they'll, like, they'll put them through. So I gotta make a game someday, and then, like, I think I'll do, like, I don't know. I think you might have to, let's like pet the cat, and like maybe you gotta like he tries to scratch you or something like that. Who the fuck knows? A lot of these games are done. This is like a fun game, this Fruit Clash, but I'm at a bad spot, and unless it might work on here. It might work on here. So I got like this adventure. Yeah, this left side drops. It should not drop. I had to write a strongly worded message. I can't beat that level. Oh, is that thing gone? Would you like to receive emails from the Google Developer Program about new features? Even what best describes me? Hold on a second. Nine inches. That's what best describes me, baby. Oh. Homeless. Oh shit, it went away. How do I get that back up? My profile pics of black woman. All right. I do not wish data scientist, database admin, designer, All of the above, baby. Something else. Sysadmin, technical writer. I don't know. I'm a black ops engineer. I'm a black Cox engineer. Python setup. Do they have Linux? Python intro. I was just hoping that like there was like a
Alrighty, hey there.
Fucking 51 minutes for introduction to strings. How old is this? 15 years ago. It's 480p. Oh my gosh. They didn't even have HD then. Anyways. I just want some sample problems. I might jump in on that shit. Data model. Integers, int. So you can say there's an int and bool. Two types of integers. Are they signed and unsigned? Wait a second. These represent numbers in an unlimited range, subject to available virtual memory only. For the purpose of shift and mask operations, a binary representation is assumed and negative numbers are representative in the variance of 2's complement. Yeah. 2's complement's badass, yo. Which gives the illusion of an infinite string of signed bits extending to the left. Boolean. True or false? The objects represented false and true are the only Boolean objects. The Boolean. All right. Boolean type is a subject to the integer type, and Boolean values have like the value. Values. Boolean type is a subtype of the integer type. Boolean values behave like the values 0 and 1, respectively, in almost all contexts. The exception being that when converted to a string, the strings false or true are returned respectively. So like in C, anything that is not 0 is true. What if you had like an add function? Yeah, it's like for errors and stuff, right? But yeah, that also too. Always return 0. All right. What? Numbers.real float. These represent machine level double precision float. Double precision. You're at the mercy of underlying machine architecture in C or Java implementation for the accepted range and handling of Python does not support single precision float point numbers. The savings in processor and memory usage that are usually the reason for using these are dwarfed by the overhead of using objects in Python. So there's no reason to complicate the language with two types of floating point numbers. Huh. Interesting. Sequences. Those represent finite ordered sets indexed by non-negative numbers. Returns a number of items. Number of items of a sequence. All right. So it's like a slice. Item I of sequence A is selected by AI. Yep. Subsequences include built-in sequences interpret negative subscripts by adding the sequence length. For example, A minus 2 is A. Oh, that's interesting. All right. The second to last item of a sequence A with the length n. Yeah. Sequences also support slicing. Okay. I always like forget this if I haven't done it for a while. So you can slice that shit up. So yeah, you can pull from it. Yeah. You can do it backwards. Ah. You can easily do like a for loop, print it out backwards or something too. Yeah. What is this? I think I want to grab another drink. Some sequences are also supported extended slicing. The third step parameter selects all items with index x where I plus n times k. What the fuck? I don't get it. I would think n is like the total length. So you're just like, what is this? I is less than x. I is less than or equal to x. Okay, I is greater than, or no, wait a second. J is greater than x, and x is greater than or equal to I. All right. I'm thinking, what's J? Oh, IJ. Oh. Okay. Okay. Interesting. All right. Huh. So I guess I get items of the number index with index x where x equals I. All right. So let's say you're doing like 0 plus nk, n times k. So that's the size of it. N is greater than or equal to 0. Hopefully, gotta go get some beer and game catch. All right. Have a good one. K. All right. I'm not going to ever use that. Unless like I really need to, right? Like, maybe I had to use this. All right. Strings is a sequence of values represent Unicode points. I want to grab a drink too. All right, blah blah blah. Bytes. Yeah. Tuples. What's a tuple? An item of a tuple are arbitrary Python objects. Tuples are two or more items are formed of a comma-separated list of expressions. A tuple is one item. A singleton can be formed by affixing a comma affixation to an expression. All expression by itself does not create a tuple. Since parentheses must be usable for grouping of expressions, yeah. An empty tuple can be formed by an empty pair of parentheses. All right. Why did they like put the A there? Like when they did this, it's kind of confusing, right? Yeah. But yeah, that's their formatting. Yeah. I don't know why they like keep on doing this. Anyways. They probably thought that was cute. Multiple sequences. Byte array constructor mappings. All right. I'm gonna go grab a drink. I'm gonna be right back. I'm thirsty as fuck. This talking out loud's getting me. I think I'm gonna try to write something here. I kind of got an idea. And if I need to like look up how to do arrays, then I'll just look it up. I think I'm kind of getting the idea. I'm gonna put my BRB here. So I'll be back. I'll be like, I'm gonna use the restroom real quick, and I'll probably just be a minute, maybe two. So, yeah, I'll be right back. I'm back. Back, baby. Where's my headphones? All right. So good. All right. Built-in functions. What? Like shit like this. Like what the fuck is this shit? What the fuck? Method self refers to a class. What? Oh my gosh, this is important. Generator function. What the fuck is this? Yep. What? Oh, this is so good. I'm eating cookies. Oh my god, it's so good. Holy shit. I have my mouth closed. Yet it knows I'm opening. I have my mouth closed and chewing. Why is it recognizing my mouth opening and closing? Ah, so good. This is complicated. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't want a class. I just want a fucking quick. Python for beginners. Python. I don't know. Tutorial. Yeah. Boot.dev. Oh, gosh. All right. Do I need a demo? Backend. Backend and front end. Backend dev is Python and TypeScript. You have to pay money for this shit? Brilliant. Claude AI. What's this? Is that the Primogen? Wait a second. Can I zoom in on this? All right. I want to get like Claude in here. My goodness. I don't remember his name. I don't know his name. Prime. Is it Primogen? There you go. The Primogen. The Primogen. Was the poster boy for Claude. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Oh, Billy. I have so many fucking pictures in here. Like, there we go. I think I'm part of like a group. Unhinged software devs. Yeah, we'll do that. All right, let's go on. What's going on here? Man, I'm addicted to this shit. All right. Bye-bye. Free sites to learn. Wait a second. What is this? Oh, here. Oh. All right. I don't need tests. Basic operators. Lists? Let's do lists. All right. I feel like I should have like this up. Can I get like oh, I didn't get it. It said red. I was like red. All right. Can I get like send me things? Install X. What? What? It says install X. What the fuck? Anyways. What the fuck? All right. My list append 1, my list append 2. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Wait a second. They probably do it down here. 4, 5, 6. -1, -2, -3. All right. And I guess we can do like print. Do I just do like list my list? Okay, print my list. I guess I can just type in list. Can make list something? Or is that just a function? My list. Let's have it print like. Let's do this. So it's gonna be like 0 through 2, all right, and then 0, 3. And then this will be 3 through 7, right? Wait a second. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3, 4. All right, 6. And then 6 through 9. All right. What? Why is it? Wait a second. Prints out. This didn't print it. Maybe it did. Oh, no, I didn't like it. I didn't like it. Can it, was it like this? So I did a pen. It held me on this one, right? Okay, so it liked this. I didn't want to like put that all in there and not work out. All right, so it needs to know it's an array. So if I did like, if I was to write this append function, there's like a thing in Go. It's like a ... And basically what it does, it makes, basically you append like one, it should have been an array to begin with. They should have treated it like it, right? And then like, and then you can just add it all in there. So this is why YouTube keeps pushing the learn Python. Aha! Wait a second. What the fuck? Oh. What? Oh my gosh. This is a 2D array. Interesting though. Oh, no comment. This is a 2D array. Yeah. Interesting. I thought it'd just be like a whole array. Huh. What if I need to like I'm kind of disappointed. I'm kind of disappointed. I am, but I'm not. Don't fight the feeling. Can we clear this? I'm surprised it's printed though. Well, I'm not. Let's see what this does. Let's see what this does. Actually, why is it printing nothing? This should have been like an error or something. I just didn't even print it. Huh. Any specific goal? Well, I want to make my own AI, and yeah, I want to build it. I'm not my pride. You know who threw away his pride? A guy called John Carmack. Yeah. He uses PyTorch. Bro is like low-level programmer extraordinaire. And sometime last year he had like a speech. Cause he started his own like AI company. And is this like the shut the fuck up? Does he use is this a picture from his Lex Friedman interview? Funny shit. I highly recommend watching that. The Lex Friedman. Lex Friedman. Is it Friedman? Friedman, John Carmack. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. 1.8 million.
I remember the reaction where he...
This is like fucking... This dude, like, oh, he's such a talker. Okay, so I was like 5 hours of John Carmack. Time to get the popcorn, boys. Hell yeah. 3.7 likes. Hell yeah, brother. I can't believe someone beat me out. You can't learn everything, but you have to convince yourself that you can learn anything. Yeah. So, bro here, believe it or not, he loves IDEs. And I tell you what, maybe they're good when like you're a competent programmer, but I think they cause me so much problems learning how to program. Because you got to learn how the IDE works on top of the programming language. So you're like actually learning two things at the same time, and they're not always like working together for good. Like I've had so many headaches with it, but like he was like really pushing it. He was like, you can go through the memory and look through it all and shit. I was like, that's what I just do, print statements, motherfucker. Just kidding. But you can't like, you can step through your program. I mean, I guess it's nice, but like really like just try to compile it. Or like if they have like a linter or whatnot, like every programmer, there should be a linter somewhere. All right. and then like you got like your compiler, and it tells you where the issues are, and that would be like a good start. Because like what it would do is like, especially for C, and this is probably why I'm kind of like, I don't know if I'm right or wrong on some things about this, but if you like pass like if you compare like two like different types, whatever, like Visual Studio, I think Visual Studio will like kind of like correct it, so to speak, and then just throw a warning out. So and it didn't help that we used like regular, like I think it was like C11. We were using C11, and like Visual Studio hates the printf function, and it throws a warning every time, and that's what we used. And yeah, and so like it was just full of warnings, and I just thought they were all junk, right? Because it was like, if you had like a type, like maybe like issue where two different types are being compared or whatever, or you accidentally pass like the wrong type, they'll like fix it somehow. Yeah, they'll like fix it on their end, and but like I'll be trying to debug something at like hours and hours and hours and hours and hours trying to figure it out, and like end up being like the fucking IDE. Fucking hate them. It fucking messed me up. And like I'm an older person. I'm 44. I'm a man. I'm 40. Does underage work with him? But like I think I was like 35, 36-ish, like when I learned to see. And it just like threw me so off. I really don't like how this works, because in Go, the append function, yeah, it makes a new list. Yeah. It makes a new list. Or no, wait, it just tacks on. It pins to the fucking... It tacks on to the array already. But this made it like a thing here. My list 10. What? It should be like... all right. So the slices didn't care. Huh. What if I did like... What if I did this? Let's do this. It returns a 0 slice. All right. Interesting. Be careful with that, boys. I think this would throw a fucking error and go. This would throw an error. I guarantee it. We can test it out. Tour go. Okay, so like let's go in here and go into it panic or slices. I could be wrong, but I'm like 95% sure it will throw an error. Let's go to slices. What the fuck is going on here? Let's run it. There we go. That was me fucking around with it earlier. I was like, what the hell's going on? So we got... Oh, interesting. 6 cent you put in front. Almost never do this. So it's size of 6, but let's like let's do like 4 and then like 10. 10 of out of bounds. So yeah, it goes out of bounds. Yeah. This is fucking dangerous. Where'd it go? This is fucking dangerous. It's so dangerous that I'm gonna have to test it to see if this is actually, maybe it could be a bug in that shit. But I'm gonna have to test it here. So I am going to, do I need to import anything? Like, all right, so let's run main. It does the exact same thing. It's so scary. Oh, fuck. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it does that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it fucking does that. Okay. I'm gonna make a tweet on this. Delete. Okay. I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. All right. All right. Print screen. What if I did this? Yeah. Like that. Uh-huh. All right. Okay. What's this? All right, post. I'm learning Python. I'm learning Python. And as a Go enjoyer, enjoyer, this scares me on multiple levels. For multiple reasons. This disturbs me for multiple reasons. Disturbs me for multiple reasons. There we go. Screenshot that shit. All right. All right, wait a second. What if I do this? I can do this, right? This might, like, I might hit my character max here. Character maxing. Input. Yeah. Then what? I'll do this. And then output. Is it too long for? It's too long. We'll do this. Oh my gosh. Is that how it looks? Yeah, that's how it looks. Yeah. Scary. I just... What the fuck? Can I grab it? All right. I don't like it. Is it like a free... No! Free your mind, your ass will follow. Why does it have to be like a set thing? I'm gonna zoom it in a little bit. No. I hate it. I want to like cut this down. Why can't I cut this down? This is not cropping. This is not cropping. This is not cropping. Not how I know and love it. On many levels. Yeah. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Profile. All right. Is it not like... Can I edit it in here? Is it too late? What if I like... I don't know. Never mind. Let's get out of here. All right. So, yeah. Yeah, this here. Oh my gosh. I guess like this one would be good. But I want to like, I'd want to clear it. Could you clear it? What's that? All right. Numbers, exercise. Exercise the demons. Okay, what do you want me to do? Second name equals none. Write your code here. All right. All right. This code should write out the field arrays and the second name in the names list. Eric, what? All right. What? Second name. This code should write out the field array and the second name on the list, Eric. So, like names one. Like that. Why is there like 2 dots here? Wait a second. This code should write out the field arrays and the... What are the field arrays? Numbers? Oh, I should probably read what they want me to do. In this exercise, you'll need to add numbers and strings to the correct list using the append list method. You must add the numbers 1, 2, and 3 to the numbers list and the words hello world to the strings available. All right. You will have to fill in the variable. Do they want what? Huh. Huh. All right. Man, if it's like a list. Wait a second. Was it append? Holy shit. It's going to make it a 2D array. Do you think I'll make it a 2D array? All right, so we got, write your code here. Second name equals 1. All right. Let's make sure we're doing this. Okay. Should write out the field arrays and the second. Okay. Numbers dot append 1 copy. Okay, 2, 3, and strings dot, yeah, it's multiple strings. Append hello strings dot append there. Can I restart? Make sure you have printed the numbers list. Submit. What? Oh. What do they do? Okay. What if I do this? Oh. Numbers. What if I just did this? And this? No? Invalid syntax? What if I did that? Fucking get out of the way. All right. What? Make sure you have printed the numbers list. Line 11. Oh. There we go. I don't think I need this. Did it do it twice? Yeah, we're good. So yes, this made a two-dimensional array. I don't like it. Take test. Fuck your test. Next tutorial. Basic operators. 1 plus 2 times 3 divided by 4. So that's 6 divided by 4. Right? Yep. Because the divide sign is like a... Let's double check. It could just be a divide sign, and I might not be an over sign. All right, so it's a divide sign. It's not over the end. If you want to do over the end, then you'd have to do this. All right. All right. That's interesting. So I think I was wrong on that. All right, so I said like, I should have said like 7 divided by 4. I said 6 divided by 4, but it's 6 divided by 4. Wait a second. I'm confused now. Let's do this. These order operations here. What the fuck did I just do? What the fuck did I just do? What the fuck did I just do? All right, so what's 7 divided by 4? 1.75. Okay. What's 6 divided by 4? Oh, wait a second. 3 over 2. Yeah, it's halves. All right. Yeah. So that should be 2.5. All right. What? Can I clear this? 1.5. It should be 2.5, right? Yeah. Oh, gosh, it had to do this to me. All right. So the remainder. 2. Okay, so this should be like 49, and this should be 8. What? Yeah. All right. Okay. I like it. I like this. I like this feature. I don't do a lot of powers or anything. I'm not like maybe it's for like the math folks out there. I do like this. Any kind of operation that you can take out of a function call, like a simple operation, I think that it should be like part of the language. Yeah. Hello world. All right. Now there shouldn't be like a space. In Go, there would not be a space. Can we do len? Okay, so print len. Is it hello world.len? I don't know. All right, so maybe it's just a function call. Huh. Why are you treating it separate? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's. Okay. And then like print hello world 0 and print hello world 1. All right. What? Why did it put a space in there? Hey, what's up? Now I'm like super confused. I am so confused right now. Okay. What the fuck is going on here? Why did it put a space? Why did it put a space in there? Please, someone tell me. Why did it put a space in there? There's no space. Oh, they have a space here. Okay. I wasn't seeing it. Oh my gosh. I was flipping out there. Huh. Interesting. So why do they keep what? All right. You're going to see like where I'm going to be like upset at this. Hello times 10. Lots of hello. What? No way. No way. Are you doing well, Ivan? I think. Okay. Oh. Now check this out. So we did the, wait a second. Oh, we did the pluses. Okay. So check out this. Doing great? Nice. Did we do the appends here? Where are the appends? Okay, so HW2 equal, wait, can we just do it here? Yeah. Wait, let's make it hello. Hello. And then like HW2 dot append. Oh, goodness gracious. World. There we go. And can we print that? Print HW2. You don't like that? Why don't you like it? What? Oh, restart session. There we go. Yeah. It separated them. All right, so yeah, I don't like the append does that. I don't like it when it does that. But then I guess like, ooh, I should clarify. Oh shit, I should clarify for my one text. Okay, so I guess like, because if you do single digits, if I can do like append 1. Oh, where is this gonna go? Oh my gosh, this will be interesting. We'll append 1 just to this. Is it going to make another one of these? All right. Did I save that? I didn't save it. There we go. That's not saving it. There we go. That's saving it. So weird. Oh my gosh. I fucking hate it. I hate everything about this. Oh my gosh, I hate it. So it can only take in any object, just one object. All right. I kind of understand that. Holy shit. Will it take in a fucking string? Don't tell me it'll take in a fucking string. Don't tell me it'll take in a fucking string. It fucking did. You shitting me? You're fucking shitting me. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Can I assign it like a type? There we go. Can we do that? Or int? Oh, it doesn't like that. Index or slice compression. All right, it doesn't like that. It can't work like that. Oh, for fuck's sakes. The sound of Python. Yeah. This disturbs me big time. I kind of understand, like, it is like an empty set, so to speak. Can you force types? Force types in Python. Oh gosh. Developer time. I just didn't know if like you could type something. Oh, gosh. Yeah. Ugh. I am so sloppy with my I rely on Go's like strict typeness to make sure like I don't fuck up. All right. So this should be like, it better multiply every one of these fucking things in the array. No, I did it 3 times. Okay, never mind. That would have been way cooler if like it did like 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3. Hello. I should have known better because of this. All right. What is this? All numbers. I did run this right. Ugh. Mm. Yeah. All right. The target of this exercise is to create two lists called X list, Y lists, each which contain 10 instances of the variables X and Y, respectively. You're required to create a list called Big List, which contains the variables X and Y 10 times each by concatenating the two lists you have created. Concat. Cat. Object. What's an object? What? So why'd they like introduce this object? All right. Just introduce object, whatever this is. Yeah. This will be your test. It's going to go over... There are going to be some things we didn't go over. All right. To do, change this code. Oh. All right. All right. All right. Big list. Equals X list. Can I just get rid of this? Y list. There we go. Shit. I'm hitting the save button, but I don't need to. Okay, testing code. All right. Submit. Okay, script. Okay. Ugh. Oh shit. I'm so. Wait a second. What? Unsupported operand types for object and int. I don't get it. What's the object? Did I miss something here? Did I miss something here? I guess like 1, 2. X list without errors. No, I can't. Did you define the variable X list without errors? I don't know. Just let me fucking try it out. Can't do that. Okay, I guess it's just an object or something. Okay. Like, what? Do I do this? What if it's this? There we go. What the fuck? Did you correctly define the variables X list running the expression? Did it print something? Contains one object. I don't know what it's trying to do. Considering they never went over objects. Let me just do like this. Maybe object is. I'm just do this. I don't know what it's trying to do here. And plus, I didn't like even go over. It tells me not to change it. All right. What if I did this? Can I reset this? Reset this? Okay, if I don't get it right this next one, then I'm just gonna quit. There we go. I think this was the problem. All right, so there we go. Ah. How did it look before? All right, whatever. Whatever, dude. Hello, my name is D's Nuts. Hello, John. This is just like this. It's just like go and see. This prints out a list 1, 2, 3. My list 1, 2, 3. A list 1, 2, 3. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. My list A. Watch this. A, B, C is as easy. Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, wait a second. What? All right. Percent C, percent S. Fucking. Where's the percent sign? Okay. Percent S. Is easy as. All right. My lista. What? What? Not enough arguments. For format string. Is this how it works? Don't tell me this is how it works. No, wait a second. All right. Okay. Not enough arguments for. Okay, so I'm not sure how this works. Okay, format string. Python format string. Did they do something here and I just didn't even look at it right? John 20. Oh, it's like this. All right. So, my bad. My list A. Lista. My lista. ABC is as easy as 1, 2, 3. What if? Let's do this. Oh, fuck, man. The fuck. All right. Ooh, I didn't like that. I didn't like that. A is not defined. A is a assume a string. I can't believe you did. Python should have assumed that was a string. There we go. All right. So what if we did this? Let's fuck this shit up. I didn't like it. All right. So, all right. What? I thought I put S. All right. What? S. There we go. Float, numbers, digits. Format string. What the fuck? Hello. Hello. Data. Data. 0. Comma. Data. 1. All right. And then data 2. Data 2. Data 2. There you go. Close it. Gotta close that shit. All right. So, hello format string. So that's a form. Oh. Let's make this like a champ. %s. What is it? Is it %s? Yeah. All right. And then we'll do the quotes. And and then it'll be like space and then like hello and then like %s. Where's the %s? %s. Period. Your current balance is, and then like %d. I think we do like that too, like that, right? Or is it like a 0.2? We do like a 0.2. There we go. I think we do a 0.2. All right, so what the fuck, Dio? Format number is required, not what the fuck, Dio? What? Okay. So this one should have been format S. Oh, what the fuck is this? Yeah. Like that? How did that get there? All right. Wait a second. You incorrectly defined the value of format string. Oh, did I? Expected hello. Oh, you didn't like the way I did it? Well, you did it like a retard. Bitch. All right. I forget how the formats work. Okay, so integers. Oh, F. It's an F. That's why I was weird. That's why I was weird. All right, so My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. What the? My bad. Do they want like a... They want a period? All right, period. What? You define format? Did you correctly define format? You defined it as a string here, didn't you? Like this? Okay, like, what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong, chat? Did they want like all this in there? Oh my gosh. Don't tell me they wanted all this in there. All right, so like this. Is there space? All right, so boom, boom, boom. And then this. Is this what they wanted? Is this what they wanted? Shit. I'm used to hitting S. Control S for save. Did we get this right? You give me the answer, but you know what, bitch? I got this right. I got this right. I got it right. I got it right. Just because I didn't do exactly the way you wanted it, mine's technically fucking right. You son of a bitch. Oh my gosh. I'm going to skip it. This is trash. Can I review this? I think I'm getting fucking... Strings are bits of text. Define as anything in between quotes. What? What'd I do? All right, does nothing. Yeah. See, the first thing you learned was printing a simple sentence. This sentence was stored by Python as a string and said, however, instead of immediately printing strings out, we will explore the various things you can do to them. You can do awfully naughty things to them. You can also use single quotes to assign a string. However, you will face problems if the value be assigned itself contains a single quote. For example, assign a string of these brackets. Single quotes are yes. You need to use double quotes like this. What? What? Okay. What? However, you will face problems if the value to be assigned itself contains. Huh. Huh? All right. Huh. A string index 0. 4. 1, 2, what? 0, 4. Prints out 12 because Hello World is 12 characters long, including punctuation and spaces. Yeah. Okay. What? Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. What? Did I count the 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's punctuation. Okay. I don't know why I'm getting stuck. I got stuck on that. That prints out 4 because the location of the first encounter of the letter 0 is characters 4 away from the first character. Notice how there's actually 2 O's in place. This method only recognizes the first, but why didn't it print out 5? Because it found it and then left. Oh yeah. Never mind. Rud. 3. A string count. Oh. So these are like built in. I'm going to forget all these like nifty little built-ins. Okay, I think like tomorrow I am going to, let's see what this does. L. Oh my God. Give me something interesting. Give me something interesting. True, false, true. Yeah, baby. I should look at that other one. Let's go back. Can I go back up here? Master of Python. All right, I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm getting tired. I was having way more fun reading the manual. I was like, there's like when you're reading the manual and shit, except for like right here, it kind of got like, anytime there's like, they put underscores and shit, I'm just like, underscores. I just hate how they look. I hate how they look. It makes me want to punch it in the face. If I could punch name attributes, underscore, name, underscore, attributes, I would. Yeah, because I'm badass like that. All right, so who's on? I
remember the reaction
to the break of dawn. Cleo. All right. I like to rate Cleo. She's Australian for beer. So meow. Cleo's Australian for beer. Now she'll allow me to raid. Oh, Halo 2. Who are you playing with? I am a monument to all your sins. Oh. All right, everybody. Y'all have a good one. I really appreciate you all stopping by. Maybe we'll actually write some code. But like I said, I was learning how to Python. Like, it's completely new to me. I mean, obviously, there's similarities with languages. Yeah, I'm tired, man. I'm ready to go. Yeah, sorry. Oh my gosh, shoot me. Just show me now. Anyways, let's do the outro. Oh crap. All right, everybody, have a good one. Stay out of trouble. Baby. I appreciate y'all. And whatever you do, don't get in cars with strangers. Stranger danger. Unless they're hot. If they're hot, it's probably okay. Just saying. Just saying. Yeah. Anyways, I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one. And yeah, I'll be on later on tonight. Gotta love it. You gotta love it. All right. Bye-bye, everybody. Peace out. Bye.